To that Alex and Mommy Studios. Mom's coming. Mom's coming. No, she's not. Today, okay, let me show you our special guest. Squishy Eyeball! Oh, and Pinky Spider. Yeah, this Squishy Eyeball is gross. Today I'm opening more shopkins and a blind bag. Okay, let's start on the blind bag first. You can get these at Toys R Us or Target. Maybe. If you can find them in places. You can get them at Target. Let's see who we get. Oh, I got Trixie. Oh, why not Trixie? Come on, Trout Trixie.
You get a new one?
I got Trixie Luna Moon. See, Trixie Luna Moon. I was hoping I was gonna get her. Okay, now let's open up.
You don't have her, do you?
I don't have her. Okay, let's open up the Shopkin. Let's open up the Shopkin now. Let's see if we get any doubles or not. Because if we get any doubles, I'm gonna squeak. Okay, let's open up the Shopkins. They're kind of tiny. Kind of. So, yeah, it's kind of hard to open them. Okay. Let's, okay, let's tear it like this. There we go. Good to go. Okay, let's open up. Do you think I'm doing a review here? Sorry, Mom, just being a wackadoodle. Oh,
your glasses. Push them out.
Sorry. It's okay if you could call me Granny. I'm doing a review here.
So sorry.
That's okay. Comment down below if you want Mom to stop acting like a goofball. Okay, got the Shopkins out and let's go out, Liz. Okay, the basket doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
Forget all about Mom. I'm gonna try to get the golden ones. Okay, let's open this. Okay, first.
Drum roll, please.
Okay, go. Let's see who we get.
On top of the table. They can't see you.
Let's get this out. Okay. Please be a special edition. Oh, I got a little eggy crack. Oh, cute.
You don't have him, do you?
I don't have him. Oh, wait a minute.
Don't kiss.
I don't know who this is. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Okay, I got Trixie. Okay, see what we get. Who is it? Oh, I got Salty.
Uh-oh.
I got Salty Shake.
Do you have him?
No.
Okay, well, put him towards the camera.
I got 2 new ones and a Trixie. I got this in the car.
Ooh.